Intense new footage from the front lines of the war in Ukraine shows Ukrainian FPV drones launching devastating strikes against Russian soldiers riding all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, across open terrain. The dramatic video, captured by aerial reconnaissance units, reveals just how rapidly modern drone warfare is reshaping the battlefield.
Батарейки. Туши, туши. Что еще? Там. Стреляй. Отойди. Их надо вытаскивать. Блядь.
According to Ukrainian military sources, the Russian troops were attempting a fast assault maneuver using ATVs to cross exposed fields and avoid artillery detection. The lightweight vehicles, designed for speed and agility, were meant to exploit gaps in defensive lines. Instead, they became highly visible targets from the sky. Operators from Ukrainian drone units, reportedly linked to brigades operating near contested sectors in eastern Ukraine, tracked the movement in real time. FPV first-person view drones were quickly armed and launched, each piloted remotely with precision through live video feeds transmitted directly to the operator's goggles.
Я за дело, блядь! А? Давай это! Так тащим ее, так!
As the Russian column accelerated across dirt tracks, unaware they were being watched from above, the first drone dove sharply toward its target. Within seconds, a violent explosion engulfed the lead ATV, sending debris and dust spiraling into the air. The blast halted the advance instantly. Panic appeared to spread among the remaining riders. Some attempted to veer off the path, racing toward nearby tree lines for cover. Others abandoned their vehicles altogether, scattering across the open field in desperate attempts to evade the unseen threat hovering above them. But the drones kept coming. One after another, the FPV units swooped down with chilling accuracy. The small, agile aircraft maneuvered at high speed, adjusting mid-flight to follow fleeing targets. Explosions erupted in rapid succession, marking direct hits on both vehicles and dismounted troops. Military analysts note that ATVs, while effective for quick transport, offer no armor protection against aerial threats. On a battlefield saturated with surveillance drones, speed alone is no longer enough to guarantee survival. The footage underscores the vulnerability of lightly equipped assault teams in drone-dominated combat zones. The Ukrainian operators maintained steady control despite electronic interference and battlefield chaos. Through their head-mounted displays, they guided each drone into precise attack angles, often striking within mere meters of moving targets. The level of coordination suggested extensive training and battlefield experience. In the aftermath, the once-moving assault force was reduced to burning wreckage scattered across the field. Smoke rose from destroyed ATVs, and secondary detonations indicated that ammunition carried by the troops had ignited. The attempted breakthrough had been decisively stopped within minutes. Observers say the incident highlights a broader shift in tactics on both sides of the conflict. Small, relatively inexpensive FPV drones are increasingly being used as precision-guided munitions capable of neutralizing enemy forces without risking large numbers of ground troops. For Russian forces, the use of motorcycles and ATVs has become a way to maneuver quickly through contested areas. However, such tactics also expose soldiers to constant aerial surveillance, making surprise advances increasingly difficult in areas monitored by Ukrainian drone teams. What once provided mobility and shock value now often turns into a liability when every movement can be tracked from kilometers away.
Гони, родной, гони. Чума ебаная. Я успел по тормозам ебать. Я тут магазин бросил или что? Да похуй вообще на.
Ukrainian commanders have repeatedly emphasized the strategic value of drone warfare in countering numerically superior forces. By striking swiftly and accurately, FPV units can disrupt assaults before they reach defensive lines, preserving manpower and fortifications. In many sectors, drones now serve as the first line of defense, detecting, tracking, and eliminating threats long before traditional units engage. The footage circulating online has drawn significant attention, illustrating both the intensity and the technological evolution of the war. Experts warn that as drone capabilities continue to advance, traditional infantry tactics will require major adaptation to survive in such a hostile aerial environment. Camouflage, dispersion, electronic countermeasures, and rapid concealment are becoming essential components of survival rather than optional tactics. Despite the dramatic destruction shown in the video, the broader conflict remains fluid and unpredictable. Both sides continue to adapt, investing heavily in electronic warfare systems, counter-drone defenses, and improved reconnaissance capabilities. The battlefield has become a contest not only of firepower but of signal strength, battery life, software updates, and operator skill. As fighting continues across multiple sectors, scenes like this serve as stark reminders of how modern warfare is being transformed. On the battlefields of Ukraine, the hum of a small drone overhead can now signal the difference between a rapid advance and sudden devastation. What was once considered support equipment has evolved into a decisive weapon system, fundamentally changing the calculus of movement, exposure, and risk for soldiers on both sides of the front line.